If I were to ask you to think about one thing that hasn't gotten really any easier throughout time, you might say weight loss. Why is weight loss so hard? And why have we not been able to crack this code as a society? What exactly is weight loss, and how could we help 2/3 of Americans who are overweight or obese? Whenever I hear people say things like, what do I need to do to lose weight? Or what exercises should I do to lose weight? And worse yet, does apple cider vinegar or walking or green tea help lose weight? That's when I know we've been completely brainwashed. So let me make this very clear. The only way to lose weight scientifically, logically, and realistically is to burn more calories than you consume in a given period of time long enough to see real results. Remember when we learned about the law of conservation of energy back in 6th grade science? Well, when you were wondering when you would ever use this in real life, this is it. This law states that energy is neither created nor destroyed, but only transferred from one form to another. So there was literally only one answer to weight loss, and that is to burn more calories, aka energy, than you consume on a daily basis. So in short, the answer to the question, why is losing weight so hard? The answer is because you're making it so much harder than it needs to be. But it's not entirely your fault either. The entire weight loss industry and our society has lost perspective and completely gone off the rails. How do we make weight loss easier and more manageable so even the people who think they cannot lose weight can lose weight? Well, there's only one rule, and that's to consume less than you burn. And that's the only rule you should live by when you're trying to lose weight. Consume less than you burn. Now you need to figure out how many calories you need to burn so you can just consume less calories than that. Look, here's a helpful hint. You can download the app MyFitnessPal, which is a great app. I still use it. And you can log in each of the different foods that you're eating, each of the different meals, and it'll tell you all the different macros. It'll tell you all the different calories that are in that food. After you've found exactly how many calories your specific body needs to burn in a day, then you can just log it into MyFitnessPal and figure out, am I eating more calories than I'm burning, or am I eating less calories than I'm burning? And it's as simple as that. Or the alternative is to just create a meal plan. And I've actually got a video on my channel showing you exactly how to create a meal plan so that every day you're eating the exact same foods, you're gonna get the exact same result, and you're gonna have more precise results with what you want. But then there's also the second thing, which is to set an exercise goal. Everybody knows this, that you should be exercising. And no, playing video games, exercising your thumbs on the joysticks is not exercising. Whether you agree with me or not, whether you should or shouldn't exercise, I'm pretty sure it's very well written in human history that we need to be active and be doing something with our bodies rather than sitting all the time. Clearly there's a correlation between weight loss and weight gain between those who are active all the time and always up and about, and those who are always sitting around not doing much for themselves. Besides, setting an exercise goal is amazing because one, it's gonna give you incentive. If you don't already have an exercise goal, you need to set one because it's gonna get you out and active. And another reason is because it's going to remind you to go out and exercise. If you're someone who doesn't really remember to exercise all the time, this is gonna remind you because you're constantly gonna have that goal in the back of your head to go out and achieve. But most importantly, having an exercise goal is going to push you to get out and do something and be self-reliant when it comes to your health, your body, your appearance, and your happiness. Look, the last thing you need is to put your happiness and your health and your life in somebody else's hands that's not gonna care about that. So you need to take it into your own hands and set an exercise goal. And more importantly, you need to focus on habits, not just your actions. One of the biggest problems that I see with you guys watching my videos is you guys ask if this is bad or if this is good. And you're looking at things as if they are actions and not habits. Eating 4 waffles for breakfast every single morning is something that I used to do. And that is not just an action one morning. That's a habit that happens every morning. If you're used to eating out 4 to 5 times a week, that is a habit. That's not just an action of you going out and getting some fast food once a day or once every 2 days. That's a habit that you're in. But also making the transition from 1 liter of Coke every day, which I know a few people who actually do that, to drinking a liter of water every day, that is a habit as well. Look at what you're doing as habits and not actions. Are the habits that you currently have keeping you overweight? Maybe you have to get real with yourself and say, yeah, maybe I do have a few bad habits that are keeping me overweight. And the simple thing to do is just to do the opposite of that habit. So if you're used to drinking a liter of Coke every day, don't drink a liter of Coke every day. If you're used to not working out ever, start working out. If you're used to eating 4 waffles for breakfast every morning with peanut butter on them and syrup all over, just like I used to do, then stop doing that. It's that simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead, drop a like, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Go ahead, watch one of these 2 videos next. As always, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will see you guys next time.